This is kind of a fun one. I did brakes and rotors on this vehicle before, so everything should be brand new. And as you can tell from the front pad, it is brand new. It's only a year old. But this back pad is all the way metal to metal. That's because the last time we did it, caliper was stated to be bad, so they didn't fix it. And that's what it looks like if you don't fix a broken caliper. I'm gonna start by breaking this one loose. This is the brake hose. There we go. Just breaking it loose. We could snug it back up so you don't drip everywhere. Now I want to take a 14 millimeter and just get the caliper off for right now. Nothing left of that pad there. Look at that. It's the metal backing. So now we'll take a 17 millimeter and get this bracket out of the way. Six-inch extension and maybe even a swivel bit might help there, but it's off. Here's what that rotor looks like. Add our brand new rotor from FVP, not a sponsor. I'm going to add the brand new caliper bracket from FVP, still not a sponsor. Now we're going to slap on some brand new full ceramic brake pads. If you're going to do brakes, spend the extra money, just buy the full ceramics. Quieter, they handle heat a lot better. Not to mention, a lot less brake dust. Look at that. Beautiful. Now the new caliper is a 12 millimeter. Okay. Perfect. Now Now we're going to transfer everything over to the new one. So just, now this is loosened up. 10mm bolt, get rid of that. Break that off. Make sure there's no copper washer in here. And now with the copper washer right there at the top, we're gonna poke that through. Copper washer that I just dropped, you didn't drop. So you're gonna put that on the other side of this brake hose. And then we're gonna install it by hand. You don't want to cross thread right now. And trust me, it's easier said than done. It's just that brake fluid is so slick. You gotta do that while lining up that peg. There we go. Done. There. It's pretty snug. Bump it. Bump it. All right. Down.
Down.
Up.
Up.
Down.
Down.
Up.
Up.
Pump it again for me. All right, hold on.
Down.
Let it go. Now all you have to do is come up here and refill your reservoir with a DOT3 fluid, brake fluid, and yeah, this job's done and over with.